If you're seeing an access denied message in Beehiiv, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be solved with a few simple browser or account checks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Let's get into it. First, refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple refresh is enough to restore access. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Beehiiv to fail loading properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working normally. Next, log out of your Beehiiv account completely. After that, log back in carefully and see if the error disappears. This can reset the session and fix authentication issues. While you're signing back in, verify that you are using the correct account. It's easy to accidentally sign in with another email address, especially if you have multiple Google accounts or multiple logins saved in your browser. If you're still stuck, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cached data can sometimes conflict with Beehiiv and trigger access problems, so removing that stored data can help force a clean reload. After that, disable any browser extensions you have installed, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. Some extensions can interfere with Beehiiv's login or page permissions, so testing with them turned off is a smart next step. You can also try opening Beehiiv in an incognito window. This gives you a fresh browsing session without most extensions or stored cookies, which makes it easier to tell whether the issue is browser related. If the error still appears, try a different browser altogether. For example, if you normally use Chrome, test Beehiiv in Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This helps confirm whether the problem is limited to one browser setup. Another important step is to verify that your email address is confirmed. If Beehiiv requires email verification and your account has not been fully confirmed, you may run into access restrictions. Check your inbox for a confirmation email and complete verification if needed. If you've tried everything so far and the issue still hasn't cleared, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes Beehiiv may be having a temporary server-side issue or a short-lived account lockout that resolves on its own after a brief delay. And if none of these fixes work, the last step is to contact Beehiiv support. Be sure to explain exactly what you're seeing, what device and browser you're using, and which steps you've already tried. That will help them identify the cause much faster. So, to recap, refresh the page, check your connection, sign out and back in, confirm the correct account, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, test Incognito Mode, try a different browser, confirm your email address, wait a few minutes, and contact support if needed. If this video helped you solve the Beehiiv access denied issue, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.